Got that away as well. These runs are coming thick and fast now. This time it's Babar Azam.
He's in some form. He is in some form now, and I know that obviously the pace is on at just under 145, but just watch this. Doesn't have to use too much foot movement here. Just wait for the ball to come on, and it's just a tip for any young player out there. Use the pace.
Babar Ahmed. A little bit of a mystery spinner. He's got that away. First ball's gone for 4.
Yeah, well, he'll know everything about Babar Azam. 46 wickets in his HBL PSL career, good economy. But this one doesn't normally do this. He's normally very tight.
Yes, but his shoelace wasn't.
No, he's just giving himself a little bit of room there. Just let it come on and cut it away. Riley Rousseau.
That's a bit leg side as well, so that's been just tickled around the corner. And that's going to be a couple of boundaries to start. Skipper's looking quite concerned right now. Run rate is outstanding. They're going at 16 of the over and 50 on the board. 53 for 1.
What a start. And looking at that first game, Multan Sultans was 69 for 1. In the power play, they were in a position to just go massive.
That's a difficult position.
I'm describing all your actions. And nothing's going right for the Gladiators. You need some support. The bowlers are already feeling the pressure. The effort was good, but you really need to stop this run flow.
Yeah, they need something to go their way, don't they? Again, spinners dragging it in, bowling short of a length into the pitch.
Another half century for Babar Azam. What a player. His third half century this season. He looks in great form. 101 T20s, half centuries, and his 39th in his HBL PSL career.
Yeah, leading from the front, not just in terms of stature, but certainly through performance. Simply outstanding. Babar Azam, lots been spoken about him coming into this season, and he's certainly proved his mettle.
Up and over extra cover, and it will just bounce short for another boundary.
Yeah, predictive length from Alzari Joseph. A little bit of change of pace as well, and that likely then allows the opportunity for Babar Azam to make the adjustment and hit it in front of square. Pace on, probably goes behind.
Going airborne, Babar Azam. Has he gone far enough? Yep, that's 6 runs. Very fine shot from Babar Azam.
As soon as Kusal Mendes has gotten out, he's just gone up another gear, which is so pleasing to see. His first 6 of the night. Slog sweep being put into use and gets a good chunk of it. Goes into the seats.
A strike rate of 168. Looking to take control of these last few overs. Advancing that time. Cover drive straight to the man, but they scramble through for 1. It's when Tariq now. The low arm action this time, and that's been picked up as well. They're just dealing in boundaries at the moment. Dropped over the rope. 6 runs it is. He is on a real charge now, Babar Azam.
Yeah, foot is on the accelerator. I actually think the tactics here from Quetta Gladiators is wrong. They need to take the ball outside the arc of Babar Azam and Aaron Hardy. Get them to fetch it. Anything on the stumps is going.
Sicily just trying a little bit of a low release. That's in the air, down the ground. And that's split the guys in the middle. And that's gone for 4, 1 bounce. Getting some treatment now, Tariq.
Gee whiz. This is wonderful striking. Wasn't quite there, but he held his shape. He knew exactly where he wanted to hit it. Straight over the bowler. There are no fielders there.
Takes him to 80 now. Oh, he's hit that pretty well from a solid base. And he's gone for 6 more. It's a fine shot for Babar Azam. He's a seriously fine player.
He literally hit his first 6 of the match the previous over and now has 3 sixes. As you mentioned, solid.
Let's pick that up. Short arm jab for 6 runs. It's almost in the bucket.
Almost a Yari moment there. But he has literally flicked gears, hasn't he? He does it with ease. And that's why I know a lot of people are like, why don't we see this a little bit earlier in his innings? But right at the moment, him and Kusal Mendes is a nice partnership. Mendes gets out, he goes to another gear.
Strike rate has been sensational. They're going to be running hard. He hasn't hit it as hard as he would normally do so. They're coming back for the second. And he gets there. Gets the big dive in. He's got there in the end. That is outstanding work from Babar Azam. Desperate dive with the end. Brings up the 3 figures. It's his first 100 in 67 knocks in T20 cricket. His teammates are delighted. Hardy's down there and has engulfed him. And he might be the happiest bloke around right now, Babar Azam. Strike rate of 192.31. An absolute treat to watch. Magnificent stuff from Babar Azam.
You can just tell what it means to him. He's had a lot of pressure on him at the top. Discussions around his strike rate. But he has turned this HBL PSL all about him and his side. It's his 3rd PSL 100 and his fastest as well. This shows you that he's getting better as he gets older as well. 12 hundreds in T20 cricket. That's a pretty good effort for a guy who people think doesn't strike the ball very well. He didn't quite time it. Remember, he's been out there for 20 overs. He got in low. He hustled. He put in the full dive. It was an amazing piece of running. Aaron Hardy did a piece of cake, really, but the rest of the teammates were happy. And after a few moments lying on the ground just to gather his thoughts, his breath, he gets up and celebrates in style. He's a man that is very focused at the moment, and that is clearly evident by the amount of runs that he is churning out.
Really special stuff. Amazing. Let's go and join Zainab.